Welcome back to the channel, everybody, guys. It is week number 15 of me investing into my portfolio. It is over $7,000 now, which is amazing. Let's get it to $10,000. Today I'm going to be talking and going over, let's say, the free stocks I got and dividends and what I'm going to be buying. So currently I am reading A Random Walk Down Wall Street. This is probably a book for the more advanced readers that, want to learn about the market. Definitely not a beginner book, so don't grab this if you aren't a beginner in this type of stuff, but nevertheless, great book. And also, I just picked up The Intelligent Investor. So this is the book that Warren Buffett read. Obviously, I'm gonna try and read this too and try to follow the footsteps as Warren Buffett. And Benjamin Graham is the author, and he was the professor of Warren Buffett at Columbia University when Warren Buffett was in college. So if you haven't already, grab this book too. And like I've heard about the reviews, they said it's a more advanced read. So if you don't know too much about stock market investing, don't grab this book, grab another book. But yeah, those are the two I'm going to be reading. I'm very, very excited. Okay, now let's just go over to Webull. Now the link is down below. You can get, if you sign up and deposit just $1, you can get 2 free stocks. Like I was saying, it's just free money. So right here we have Sprint. That's the one I got. And if we go over here to menu, hit my free stock. These are the other 2 stocks that I have. This is all 4 stocks I have received. 2 of them for signing up and depositing $1. And then the other 2 is somebody used the link below. They got 2 stocks as well. And I got 2 stocks. And I got ISBC, 2 of them for $11.62. Times 2, that's like $23 free money. So go ahead, guys, link down below and sign up. Also, I want to go over to Robinhood. And also, I got another free stock from Brian H. So shout out to you, Brian. January 14th, they signed up and they got a free stock. And I got a free stock as well for them using my link, which is great. And I had got Eros International for $3.67. And the cost is free. It's the best thing I like. Let's get into back to reality, back into my journey. So we're gonna go over the day, the month, the week, and such and such. So on the day, we're up $14.08, which equates to 19.19%. On the week, we're up $29 and we're up $30.18, which equals 2.42%. On the month, we're up $156.93, which equals to 2.20%. 3 months, $322.80, which is amazing, which equals to 4.63%. And then on the year equals to $338.20, which gives us a 4.86 return. So buying power, $278. The $100 down and then 17 likes on the last video, which equals to 278. Now, the positions I hold currently, I'm just going to read it over just so that you guys know and you guys can hear it. Apple, Real Estate, AT&T, AG&C, British Petroleum, CubeSmart, ConocoPhillips, Coca-Cola, Disney, Energy Transfer, Ford, Hanes Brand, like the underwear, SPHD, Iron Mountain, JP Morgan, Peggy, Pfizer, Royal Dutch Shell, O Realty, Starbucks, Unilever, CEFL, 3M, and then the free stock at the bottom, Eros, E-R-O-S. So this in terms of, as you guys can read the shirt, I don't know if you can see it, but it says cash flow, so that's exactly what we're going to be getting today. I have on my watch list, Bank of America, just a couple of them, Royal Caribbean, IBM, SPG, Apple, Pepsi, let's see, and then some, insurance company, Assurant. But that is not what we're getting into today. Today, we're just going to be nice and quick with it, Let's just check out the dividends that was paid to me. All right, perfect. So let's pull up the list. Let's pull it down a little bit. AG&C, January 10th, paid me $2.56. And today, we're getting not once, not twice, but 3 times I'm getting paid a whopping 68 cents, 66 cents, and 90 cents. So it's probably not, a lot of money, but I am still getting paid 3 paychecks in one day. I'm balling, so I'm gonna celebrate it up. And also, it is my mom's birthday, so this can go towards her birthday gift. January 16th, we're getting paid by Disney, $1.76. Let's see, CEFL, we're getting paid 89 cents. The 22nd, Peggy's paying me $2.11. JP Morgan is paying me on the 31st, 90 cents. And then, as you can see, the start of February 3rd, I'm getting paid from AT&T for holding 20 shares, $10.40. So it's free money, just for holding the stock. This is why I like dividends. It's the cash flow for holding the stock. It's just like real estate. You buy the house, rent it out just for holding, and just for them renting it out, they're going to send you a check, a rental check. Same concept. That's why money is very intertwined, and it's a very simple thing to grasp your head around. It's just kind of hard, getting the upfront money, working at it, staying consistent, having your credit right. It's a whole process. It's a lifelong process, and, the game never gets old. So you have to treat it like a game and play it like a game. Understand the rules, understands what you can't do and what you can do with what you got. Like in a game of life, you have certain resources that you start off with, and let's just see what you can build from what you start off with. There's the news right here. They usually do earnings calls on this news thing right here. So I was listening to the JP Morgan thing. I wasn't listening. I was listening for like 2 minutes, but it's kind of cool that, every single quarter, each company kind of breaks it down for you, the earnings and what they're going to be doing moving forward. So just, if you do have time, or if you're more interested in that type of stuff, just listen in, listen into the calls so you can get more information about the company and how they're doing over time and their future outlook. So definitely do that. Today I got $278, like I said, and I'm going to be buying some stocks, specifically AG&C investment. So I have 17 shares right now with an equity of $309.74. Now this has been a runaway. As you can see, in the last week it's up 30 cents, in the last month it's up 70 cents, and in the 3 months it's up $2.04. I'm up currently $27.55. So I'm going to be adding to this position, even though, as you can see, my average cost is $16.60. I like the dividend that this company produces, 10.65%, even though it is a buy hold rating. I don't really go by what analysts say, because they kind of, react to the fear mongers, and, I don't think they have a lot of logic when they try to, convince people to buy something, even though they probably look at the numbers and stuff like that. Don't kind of go off of word of mouth when you are investing into a company. Kind of, check it out yourself. That is the most important thing. Check it out yourself and, see if the investment is worth it or not. So let's go ahead and buy 10 shares for $182.28. Let's go ahead, market order, sending order received. And now we have purchased 10 shares of AG&C for $182. Great. Now let's go back. I did want to make another play, but I only have $96.37. I'm going to go ahead and tap into that Coca-Cola. I told you I love Coca-Cola. I love the direction they're going. Their marketing campaigns are freaking genius. So, let's just keep on adding to it. Why not? And it's okay over time, even though you're buying a company that's priced high because the markets are high, just continue investing. That's the whole point of the dividend investing, is that, even if it's high or low, you just consistently invest. That's the whole point. We're not here to try to, find out when the top is and then when the bottom is and keep on doing that over time. There was a, study shown about that type of method versus dividend investing versus only investing at the highs. And in the end, investing at the highs obviously is bad, but investing at every single low there was versus dividend investing and just consistently investing a certain amount of money over time, they were pretty much equal. So don't get stuck up on trying to find the right date to invest in or the right price to invest in. Just keep on investing over time consistently. That's the key. Remember, guys, that's the key to everything in life is consistency. You want to get better, and you want to get fitter, you want to go to the gym more, can stay consistent. That's all it is, man. You know what I'm saying? It's the same thing when you have a job. You consistently get up to go to work. That's exactly why you continue to have the job most of the time. All right. So now we have $39.84. I think I'm going to be adding to my forward position. So I'm going to buy. Let's see how many we can get with forward. So 4 shares. We're going to get 4 shares, sending order received. And now we have bought 4 shares of $37. This stock has been going up. I think due to the news of electric vehicles and that they are reinvesting the profits back into different parts of the country and a plant in Vietnam, even though the European sales have been going down or their international sales are going down. I think that, with the money they have and them being a cornerstone company of America, I think that they are safe in the long run, and America is just not going to let Ford fail. It is the oldest and, like I said, cornerstone company of America. So usually when people think about American, they think about Ford. Then I got to give that up. So that is all the money I have, $2.78. I'll probably go buy a couple packs of gum with that right now, or I'll just let it sit. This is the cash management card. Like I said, guys, they have great features on this stuff. Earns 1.80% per year, which means that all the sitting cash that you have, let's just say I have that $2.78 just sitting in it for the rest of the year, it's going to get an interest of 1.8% on that $2. So just having your this should be your new bank account, if you do want to open it. Flexible spending, 75,000 ATM. So if you live in a big city, don't even worry about it. But see, I've tapped out, which means every time you tap on the card, you get to move up. And I think they pump out 3,000 cards a day. So I think I'll have a little bit more time until I'll be able to get my card and set up my account. But out of 1,024,835 people, I am in line 800 in customer number 850,557. So I got a long way to go, probably, unfortunately. The Messages app, as you can see, AG&C, Coca-Cola, Ford, got a notification for all of them. So great. So I'm going to add that to my cash flow chart in my dividend investment portfolio Excel sheet and the numbers sheet. So, every single month I'm going to show you how much I'll be making a year in every single month. So stay tuned and check that one out, and check all the older ones out. There will be a link up here. So guys, that is it for this week's investment portfolio video. Smash the like button and subscribe. Remember, guys, for every single like, I will invest $10 into my portfolio on top of the $100 that I already am going to be investing. So you guys kind of control how much I'm going to be investing. So smash the like button and subscribe to the channel. But guys, don't forget to sign up down below for 3 free stocks. Yes, I said 1, 2, 3 free stocks. So why wouldn't you want to get 3 free stocks? That is AKA free money. 1 stock from Robinhood if you sign up, and 2 free stocks if you sign up with Webull. My links are down below, so don't even worry about it. Just go down below. And if you want to get some credit cards, I have 2 of them that I currently have right now that offer great rewards and have a great sign up bonus. So do yourself a favor and let's get this free money. Thank you guys for watching so much. I'll see you guys next video.